Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this lesson I'll show you where you can find inspiration when you are creating a PowerPoint template. So first of all, let's say that you are creating a template for a company based on a brand book. In such a case, you don't have to look far for inspiration because most of the things that you need you'll be able to find in a brand book. So in case of Patreon, as you can see here, we have many things designed and defined. So the logo used, the colors that we have to use, and the exact hex codes of the colors. Later on, I'll show you how we can use those hex codes to create our own custom color palette. So let's take a quick look inside of the Skillshare brand book. Once again, we have defined the logo use, we have the colors defined. As you can see, they're using this Wonder Green, beautiful color, and we get the hex codes that we have to use. So to summarize, when you create templates based on brand books, so the whole process is much faster because you have many things decided for you. But let's say you want to have a complete creative freedom and you want to create your template from scratch. So where do you get started? How do you decide which colors to use and what designs to create? And here I have a couple of websites gathered that I like to use myself. So first of all, graphicriver.net. You can check out best-selling PowerPoint templates, you can check out trending templates, and what's awesome, you can select and click on any of these templates and look through all of the slides inside of that template. So for example, Veneto template, as you can see, we have a bunch of slides right here. You can go through as many as you want, and maybe you'll find something that inspires you. The next website I recommend to check out templates for inspiration is creativemarket.com. So once again, you can select any template that you want and you can check out how it looks like inside. You won't find photos of every slide, but still you'll get these overview slides, which will help you to get a good understanding and get a feeling of what slide designs of those templates are all about. And next we have Pinterest. Just type in, for example, modern slide design and you will get a bunch of results that you can check out. And the last website I would recommend for inspiration is dribble.com. Just type in, for example, slide design and enjoy wonderful creations of many awesome artists. Alright, so next I encourage you to create your own mood board. Mood board is a place where you will paste and collect everything that you like. So when you're going through these websites and when you find something that you like, that inspires you, feel free to grab it, copy it, and paste it into this slide. So as you can see, I have pasted a couple of snapshots from templates that I like. Voodoo, Veneto, Signature, Manhunt, and it's something that I like about each of these slide designs. So for example, Voodoo has a nice, use of rectangles to create beautiful layout. Veneto has this awesome phone mockup. Manhunt has dark color palette with a bright accent color, and Signature has some nice use of soft shadows. So I think I will use a little bit of everything for my final slide layout, slide design. And make sure you don't copy exactly the slide designs, make sure you just get inspired. So before continuing to the next lesson, make sure that you create your own awesome mood board. And in the next lesson, we'll be laying foundations, we'll be setting the right slide size, choosing the right aspect ratio so that our template looks awesome. See you there.